Hi, my name is Greg Bruntz. I'm a Senior Technical Service Advisor in the Nortec Global HVAC's Technical Service Department. When testing fixed torque ECM or X13 blower motors, we need to verify both the line voltage and the low voltage. The terminals are marked 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for speed selection. The higher the number, the higher the speed. L and N are your line voltage, and G is your ground. C is the 24 volt common. Both of these motors are wired and function the same, although the electrical connection points are different. The electrical connection points on the GE motor were right on the motor itself. On the Broad Ocean motor, same electrical connections. The only difference is you're going to be making your connections right here at this plug. You're not going to cut the plug off. You're not going to do anything with it. The terminals 1 through 5, like I talked about just a minute ago, and L and G and N, all those other terminals are on this same exact plug. The only tricky part is the terminals for speeds 1 through 5 on the one side of the plug are really easy to see and be able to make your connection points. The line voltage connections into ground and L and N, they're white on the back side of this plug, and they're very hard to read. But one little trick I got for you is take a pencil and kind of rub it on that plug, and it'll highlight those terminals, and then you'll be able to easily read them. For the motor to run, the motor should have 230 volts to L and N and 24 volts AC or DC between C and any of the numbered terminals. Nortec motors are programmed for AC and DC low voltage. Generic motors may not be programmed for DC, so make sure the motors you're using are capable of a DC input, because a lot of our package units send a DC 24 volt signal, not a AC 24 volt signal. So example I have is between L and N, 232 volts. If you got 232 volts between L and N and 24 volts between C and say terminal 1, the motor should be on. You can have 24 volts to more than one numbered terminals. So for example, I could have 24 volts between C and 1 and 24 volts between C and 4. In that instance, the motor would run at the programmed speed terminal 4. The higher speed wins. Hope you found this tech tip useful. Keep tuning in to edgetechhvac.com for more useful tips.